So this is Pinterest. I've already logged in, so that's the homepage, and now I'm in my page. So you can see I've all different boards. Some are work related, some are not. Some are about personal hobbies, fashion and stuff. But I have different boards for different items. And when I see something I like, I pin it to that board. So for example, internal glazing, I have 3 pins there. If I scroll down and take a look at master bedroom, these are different pins I've pinned for ideas for a master bedroom. Here's a board I often send out to clients that has all traditional vernacular style buildings on it, so it's a really easy way to explain a style. And these are different ideas for bedrooms. So for a particular client, if I see pins that I like, I pin them here, and then they're all together. So this client needed kind of a loft bed for her kids. So if I click in here, you'll see the images below are similar to the image that I had clicked. They're all like that crystal style glazing. I'm just going to add this pin to a board now. So I actually can't remember what the name of this board was, so I'm going back. Scrolling to the top. Okay, it's ideas for bedroom. So I'm back in that image. I'm scrolling down because I know it showed me this image. And if I type in there the beginning of the name of the board, it will pop up. I can scroll it and hit it, and now it's pinned to ideas for bedroom. I like some of these too, so I can also pin those to different boards, ideas for loft living. I pin that one too. Now I've hit the home button. The thing with Pinterest is that it shows up stuff you've Googled, so that's why those other images and ads are coming up. So here I'm creating a new board. I selected a pin, I went to pin it, I scroll to the bottom and I hit create new, and I'm typing ideas for balustrades. I don't have a pin for that. You can turn the board as secret or not secret, which means they're just not available to the public, because usually boards are public unless you make them secret. If I type in the search bar of home balustrades, now I get a lot of different balustrades, as long as some ads, some jewelry ads and stuff, but you just can ignore those. So I've clicked in here, I'm scrolling down, and now you can see these images are really similar to that. They've all got vertical stripes. So I pin that one. These are ads. Shop for more like this. So these are pins. So now I want to look at traditional balustrades. You can see now the style has changed. I'm going to pin one to the board, pin this one to ideas for balustrades. You can see now I've clicked that one, and if I scroll down, traditional balustrades, images with black and white have come up. So that's what I mean when I say in the module where the algorithm changes to what you've clicked, and you can kind of wander through images, and you force the software to show you more of what you've clicked. And so what I'm doing now is I'm pinning different styles to the board, and then I can look at them all together. Here I'm back at my page. My new board has come up there, ideas for balustrades. And now there are the various pins I've just pinned. So what I'm going to do now is edit it. I click the pen button and I delete that pin. So now I'm refining my board. Like this one, like those vertical stripes. Well, I do, but for the purposes of this, I'm going to edit them out. I'm deleting this one too. So I'm not entirely sure yet. I've gotten rid of the very modern balustrades. I'm not 100%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to organize the board. So here you can drag and drop. So I'm putting the traditional ones first. There we go. And now that one doesn't pop down because it's the size of the window. And just allows that many across. So now I have an idea of what I'm leaning towards. I can screenshot that, and that would be my collage of balustrades. And then I would do that for lots of different things. So this is an example of where I'm building a house with my husband this year, and so here's our first board. Now this has a mixture of everything in it. You can see there's balustrades, there's furniture, there's storage, there's doorways, but we're just at the early stage yet. I haven't made the separate boards. So you can start in that way with an overall board and then refine down into separate boards afterwards. Here I'm just searching for herringbone floor, and you can see all the different pins coming up. But yeah, you can definitely get lost, spend some hours pinning and refining your style, and it's what all interior designers and architects are using these days. So best of luck.